Sup guys, today we have another discrete mathematics question. So, find all primes p and q and positive integer k's such that p times q over p plus q is equal to k. So, how the fuck do we do this? Okay, so basically we start just thinking about even, if they're even or not. If the p and q is even. So we have this nice little table here. Okay, so we know that an even number over an odd number, we can't really say anything about that because think of like 6 over 3 and 6 over 5. Yeah. Odd over even is never an integer. We know that because that's an odd number. It's gonna be something 0.5, right? Even over even, we don't know. 8 over 4, 8 over 6. And odd over odd, also don't know. 6 over 3 and 6 over 5. Sorry, fuck. 9 over 3 and 9 over 5. Yeah, so we'll just start by creating a little like table of what we can get when P and Q is like even or odd. So yeah. Okay, so here we have a table. So we have P is odd and P is even. And then we have that when Q is odd and when Q is even. And then we'll combine those things. So then we have that when both are odd, then we have odd over even, which we know can never be an integer. When P is odd and when Q is even, we have even over odd. Yes, not a theta, odd. And then it's the same in the reverse, so we have even over odd. And then when both are even, we have even over even. So we know that this can't be the case. Both can't be odd. And that's really good because there are an infinite amount of odd primes, but there is only one even prime, which is 2. Right. So uh, basically what we have to do now is that we have to set that 1 is equal to 2 and then figure out the rest. So we can rewrite this as
2q over 2 plus q is equal to k.
Yeah, okay. So now we have to think about prime factors. So, okay, 2q over 2 plus q is supposed to be k. Because we know that q is a prime number, right? So q can only be written as 1 times q. And so we know that for this to be an integer, 2 plus q has to be a factor of 2q. And this, frankly, almost doesn't make any sense. So, because 2 plus q, okay, so we have that either 2 plus q is equal to 2q, or we have that 2 plus q is equal to 2, because it has to be one of the, oh, either it has to be the whole number or one of the two factors. Sorry, one of the three factors. We have 2, we have q, and we have 1. So 2 plus q is equal to 2, or 2 plus q is equal to q, or we have that 2 plus q is equal to 1. And which of these cases makes sense? Okay, so this one gives that q is equal to 2. This one says that q is equal to 0. This has no solutions for q. And this says that q is equal to -1. And then I ask you, which of these is a prime? Only q is equal to 2. So that is the entire solution. Sorry, not the entire solution. So our actual answer is that P is equal to Q, which is equal to 2, and then K is equal to 1. And we are done. Woo! Bye.